TCP IP protocol, a layered model with 4 layers, uses protocols for transmission of data. The protocols used are Transport Control Protocol, TCP, and Internet Protocol, IP. Protocol is a set of rules governing communication across a network. These rules are agreed upon by both the sender and recipient. The 4 layers. Application layer handles the domain name system and uses various protocols. HTTP transfers website files on the www. FTP transfers files and attachments. MIME allows media files and text in email attachments. SMTP push sends emails. POP3/4 pull receives emails not synced with the server. IMAP pull receives emails synced with the server. DNS finds an IP address. RIP exchanges routing information between routers over an IP network. SNMP exchanging network information between network management and devices. BitTorrent used for peer-to-peer networking. Transport layer with a Transport Control Protocol, TCP, is situated. Data is broken into packets and sent to the internet layer. Ensures packets arrive in sequence with no errors by exchanging acknowledgements and retransmitting lost packets. Handles connections and paths for data transmission. Identifies and authenticates sender and receiver. Internet layer, where the Internet Protocol, IP, is situated. Defines the IP address of sending and receiving devices. Handles the creation of the most optimal route for packets. Link layer, where Ethernet and CSMA/CA protocols are used. Ethernet synchronizes devices, manages data flow, controls transmission rate, and adds MAC addresses. CSMA/CA uses DCF, a collision avoidance protocol for Wi-Fi networks. DCF ensures transmission only occurs when a channel is free. WiMAX, designed for wireless MANs, now obsolete. Server/host. Host, a computer that communicates with other computers on a network. Host-to-host, protocol used by TCP for network communication. Nodes, peer, a client in a peer-to-peer network. BitTorrent, protocol for file sharing in peer-to-peer networks. Pieces, splitting files for peer-to-peer sharing. Tracker, central server storing details of peers in the swarm. Swarm, connected peers sharing a torrent. Seed, a peer that has downloaded and shares a file. Leech, a peer with negative feedback in a swarm. Lurker, a user who downloads but does not share new content. Files and data. Binary file, contains non-text data, machine-readable only. Metadata, data that describes other data. Circuit and packet switching. Circuit switching. A dedicated circuit is established for the entire communication duration, with data transmitted along the same path. Packet switching. No dedicated circuit. Data is divided into packets, travels different routes, and is reassembled at the destination.